Hi Dresser Cuties, Wendy here. Today we're going to be drawing some Squishmallows that are perfect for Halloween. And if you've been following me, you know I love Squishmallows. And so I feel so happy to be able to have shown you so many Squishmallows over the years. Today I have 6 to show you, and these are really cool because well, they're a whole squad and I just love the colors on them. And like I said, they're perfect for Halloween. So here goes. They're called the Skeleton Squad. Ta-da! I have 6 of them. So this one right here is the Bunny Skeleton Squad Squishmallow. And let's see, so this one is like a bright yellow with black. And then let me find enough space to put them away. Ta-da! Here is an owl with his little wings right here. And this one's the green one. And of course, it wouldn't be complete without a unicorn one, right? So the unicorn one is the pink one. And it even has a tail right here. And let's see here. So that's 3. We have 3 more to go. Ta-da! The orange one. And this one is the dog one right here. And the purple one. This one here, I guess is a bear, right? The colors are just so awesome, right? It's just kind of like a neon with a black. And my favorite is this one here because I guess it's blue and it's a cat. I love cats. So this one is the one I'm going to be drawing for you today, but these are the new Skeleton Squad from Squishmallows. They're out right now, so definitely check them out. So get your Sharpie or your pencil ready and your piece of paper and let's get started. To draw this cool cat, let's first start by drawing its eyes. So I'm going to come right here and draw a circle. And I'm going to come right next to it, about right here. Not too far, just enough room for a nose. And draw another circle. And then I'm going to come in here and just give it a little highlight, if you like. Of course, the original Squishmallow is just pure black, but I thought I'd add a little sparkle to the eyes, even though it is a skeleton. And same thing over here. Okay, so we have 2 eyes in, and then now in between the eyes, let's draw the nose. So right here, just kind of drawing a curve that comes down, and then I'll thicken it towards the center and taper it off towards the ends. Then from there, let's start to draw the face around it. So I'm going to come to where I drew this eye at the bottom. I'm going to come out, say about this much, and same thing over here. About this much, same thing on both sides. And from there, I'm going to draw a curve. So just kind of imagine you're kind of going around this eye, and same thing over here. So just going around the eye. From there, I'm just going to go ahead and connect it. So I'm just going to round it off towards the center and then start to come down and connect. Then from there, I'm going to bring out some cheeks. So come back to where you started and pop out another curve. Shorter curve. And about right there. Let's come to the center first. Oh, well, you know what? Actually, let's do this. Let's bring this down a little bit more. Come out to about this much. So imagine if you're using a pencil, just go ahead and finish this curve first and then add in the fangs. But since I'm using a pencil and I want it pretty even, I'm going to say right underneath this nose, but right here, I'm going to imagine this curve continuing. From there, now I have a center. I'm going to come out and draw the fangs. So same thing on both sides. So now it's pretty even, right in the center. And then just go ahead and connect. There. Okay, so then now let's make it a cat, right? So I'm just going to come say, I'll just take this bottom part right here and come out about right here. So I'm just imagining I'm drawing a curve out. So say about this much. And same thing over here. So approximately this much. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and start my curve going up. And it is a squishmallow, so it's narrower at the top and wider at the bottom. So just keep that in mind. And I'm just going to come over here, about it's easier for my hand to come down on this side. So just draw my curve. And I'm just going to go around and connect it with a curve. So top part right about the center, highest point, and then coming down. There. Okay, so now let's draw the bottom. So let's come out, getting slightly wider, not too much. About right there, we're going to start to bring it in. And connect at the bottom. Okay, so then now let's make it a cat. So I'm going to come up here in this area and put in some ears. So about right here, good size ears, nice curve, round off the tip and bring down a curve. And I'll just draw 2 more curves for the inside. And so same exact thing on the other side. Just dragging my point across so I kind of know how far to go on the other side. And don't worry if it's not exactly the same, it won't be. You just want an approximate size and area. Okay, so now we have the outside, we can draw the inside. And that is pretty much it for the main part of the cat. So now to draw and make it look like a skeleton, so we have to draw in some bones, right? So let's start with the spine. So right underneath this mouth, about this area, I'll kind of start like part of a circle right in the center. And then I'll bring it down, kind of angling a little bit so it's thinner at the bottom, and connect it. Then we're going to draw the ribs. And so about right here I'll start. It's kind of like drawing a butterfly, I guess. It looks like one, right? And I'm going to bring this rib, so this is going to be the longest one, about right here. So past the face and then round it off and connect. So let's do the same thing over here. I'm just going to break it into 3. So another one and another one. Just give myself some points so it's pretty even. From there I'm going to do the same thing over here, but it's going to be slightly shorter. And bring it in. And one more. So this one's going to be the smallest one. And bring it in. There. Okay, so now to do the exact same thing on the other side. So about right here, here, and here. So once again, let's go out, passing this part right here. And in, and same thing here. Smaller, and in, and one more. There. So now it looks like a skeleton, right? And you know what? I do have room right here, so I'm going to add a heart. Of course. So they're all done. I really hope you love how this cat skeleton squad squishmallow turned out, and I made it fun and easy for you to follow along with me. I know there's a lot other ones that you Drawstic Cuties must love, and since they're all pretty much the same, it's basically same shape, right? So all you would need to do, say if you wanted to draw the dog, is just change up the ears and just this part a little bit, but everything else is basically the same. So hopefully this tutorial here is going to help you draw all of the skeleton squad. And thank you so much for watching, and I really hope you love looking at these Squishmallows, and because I really enjoyed showing them to you. So thanks so much for watching, and if you loved it, please make sure to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.